Alright guys, I promised you all a part 2 review of I was going to go to the range. Had a little situation this morning. Woke up and my hot water heater had busted. So I'm going to take some frustrations out on this damn thing. I got a 75 round drum, some Wolf Full Metal Jackets 122 grain, and we're going to bring the range to it. So I've never had a round racked in this thing before, and I'm just going to see how it does. Alright, let's get this thing over with. Yeah. And as you can see, why I don't like these drums. Alright, let's finish it off. Guess that'll be going in the scrap pile. But never cleaned the cosmoline out of it. Did real nice, other than that shitty magazine. So she's leaking cosmoline everywhere. So as you guys can see, we did a nice little number on it. Even cut down a few trees. Alright guys, you guys know the drill. You guys want to see anything else, any murder, mayhem, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the drill. Y'all have a good one.